want to recreate these looks, you can, using the crochet tutorials on my channel. So I'm going to list each tutorial that goes with each outfit in the description below. And as you guys are watching, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite outfit? What's an outfit that you would wear? What's an outfit that you would never wear? I'd love to know and just get feedback on like what you guys think. So yeah, let's start trying on these outfits. So in this outfit, I'm wearing the colorful Stella tank with some high-waisted shorts in the color cream. I'm also wearing a cut-off corduroy jacket in this soft, like muted jade color that I really love. The jacket falls at the perfect place, like in that waist area. Then I paired it with some creamy nude platform sandals and some thrifted sunglasses. This is an outfit that I'd wear for an event, something that I'm going to be outdoors quite a bit, that I need to like look cute but also be functional. So like the shoes are super comfortable. If I get hot, I can just, you know, take off the jacket, and if it gets a little cooler, then I can layer it with the jacket. Now I really love this look. In this outfit, I'm wearing the Pura Vida bandana top with these mustard cargo joggers. They have a baggy feel like in the hips and stuff, but then they're fitted at the waist. Then I paired it with some all white skate high Vans. So the bottoms are super comfy and loose fitted, and then the top is nice and snug, so it kind of gives balance to it. And it honestly makes me feel like a Spice Girl, and I love that. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Now for the next outfit, I'm wearing the floret crop top in this beautiful like blush rosy color, and then I'm wearing some white high-waisted shorts that really make the top pop, and some strappy brown knee-high sandals. Now I love these sandals. So this next outfit really brings out my roots. I was born in Texas, so you know, gotta have the hat, I've got the boots, and I paired it with the Sun Valley tank with these beige, like flowy gathered shorts that are super comfortable. They make me feel like I'm wearing pajamas, and I probably will at some point wear them to sleep. Now for this last outfit, I'm wearing the Stella tank, but in the color natural, and I paired it with some corduroy shorts in the color camel, and then I wore some butterfly socks with some like combat boots in like this off-white color. So it's a very like playful look that I really love. So as you can tell, I love comfort, I love looking cute, but if I'm wearing an outfit and I feel uncomfortable, I'm probably not gonna wear it again. So comfort is super, super important for me. So I hope you guys like these outfits. If you did, I would love to know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Which is one that you would never wear? Like, that is equally important. I would love to know that too. And yeah, like, how do you guys pair your crochet pieces that you make? Is there like some go-to outfits that you have for the summer? Let me know in the comments, and I hope to do more videos like this soon. This was really fun. It reminded me of like playing dress up as a little girl. Shout out to Agazi who helped me style these different looks, and I've got some tutorials coming to the channel very soon. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay creating, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.